Hey guys, welcome back. So new project got going on in the house. Finally decided to get my cabinets in. So I got my Husky cabinets in. And also this just came in, arrived at Home Depot and I picked it up. Bam! A nice Husky rollaway. Here's the top and the locker piece right there. So put it together now. All right.
Patient with me. I know I'm not what you need, but baby, I'm gonna be. So please be patient with me. Is it too much?
What's up? Welcome back to another episode of Dedicated to Hawaii with my kids. Riley, you may know him as Geo Graphics, YouTube, and Geo Blaze, my son Blazely. As you see, he grew a little taller, only because this is why. The setup has arrived. The rest of it came. Here's the stuff that came recently, so it's gonna fit right there in that spot. And I got those is the racks that are gonna build on the other side of the garage. So garage is coming together. It's gonna look great. So stay tuned.
But baby, I'm gonna be. So please be patient with me. Oh, you don't wanna wait another minute. You don't wanna wait another night. Just trust me. Just trust me. Just trust me, baby. You don't wanna wait another minute. No, you don't wanna wait another night. Just trust me. Just trust me. Just trust me, baby.
Okay, I don't know if you saw that, how I was trying to take it off the pallet. Yeah, it's kind of heavy, but I got it done while my kids just watch me.
Yeah.
But I got it set up. As you can see, this is the full setup from the front of my garage that I got the cabinet to the new toolbox here with the flip top to my 80-inch rollaway. Don't mind the mess because I was doing a side project, but I kind of was setting up. Like you see, I got my TV inside, my iPad hooked up, and trying to figure out where I'm gonna put the ice box now. Cause
Put it on top of it.
yeah, I know. Like that was the original plan. I was gonna put it on top. I totally forgot when I ordered it that it was a flip top.
And don't
Now,
use that side.
now if you look at it, like it's so pretty. Like I could, I don't know, put stuff in it.
Then don't
Like
use this.
it's so nice. They even come with their own no mats. I mean,
Well, pick which
for the cheap run Husky, like I think they do a pretty good job.
Pick which
Like
one you don't
I'm
want.
happy. I got my Monster Garage Action with all my two boxes, front to back, front to back.
What's this?
And as you see, this is what they do. They break styrofoam and make more rubbish. Yeah. Alright guys, I'm gonna continue to set up these racks now. So I have these racks, two racks that I'm gonna store on that side. Hopefully alleviates all of that junk over there. But
That's it.
here we go.
I know I'm not what you need, but baby, I'm gonna be. So please be patient with me. Is it too much that I'm asking for? Can we start over? Can we end this war? I've been taking your love, I've been wasting your time, but is there still a chance of me changing your mind before you go walking out?
So we ran into an issue already. I don't know if you can see, one of the uprights is bent. So I'm on the phone right now with Home Depot, trying to call if I can exchange it or what they're gonna do, because this is very disappointing. Yeah, so now looking at the other one, I noticed the other one is bent too. So you see that? It's bent right here. Dang. So that's a problem. Both sides. Yeah, we need to get this fixed because if I put any weight on that, it's just gonna just fold on me eventually. Did you ever notice when you're on hold, or hold,
You don't wanna wait another minute. No, you don't wanna wait another night. Just trust me, just trust me, just trust me, baby. Please be patient with me. Please be patient with me. I know I'm not what you need, but baby, I'm gonna be. So please be patient with me. Please be patient with me. Please be patient with me. Yeah. I know I'm not what you need. Baby, I'm gonna be. So please be patient with me.
Anyways, so finally done. It's evening time. Here's the trooper helped me clean up the last of the stuff. So here's the results. Put the icebox on top, my welder on the side. I can still lift up the lid. The other side, I'm gonna just keep empty for now. Yeah, I gotta deal with this stuff over here. Other than that, it's done, and the rack, oh sorry about that, the rack is up on that side. So everything's in, the car fits. My wife's car fits with some room to squeeze through. Truck is outside with all the rubbish, so that's gonna get taken care of tomorrow morning. But hope you enjoyed watching our little put together. Anything you guys say to the YouTubers out there? That's it. It's
Yeah.
cool.
Yeah, it's cool.
All right, it's cool. He likes the garage. All right, give it a thumbs up.
Like,
A like, subscribe to his page too. Right there. Maybe I'll put it down here on the bottom, or is it this side? This side or this side? I don't know.
Stop doing that.
It'll come up. All right. All right, guys. Thank you.
Baby, no, I won't beg for your love. Won't say please.
Say please.
I won't fall to the ground. Oh,